In today's video, I will show you how to stop archiving your story on Facebook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Facebook archive feature will automatically save the post that users shares to their story after they disappear. Story posts disappear after 24 hours. Users can visit their archive to share their old stories, posts, and more. If users don't want Facebook to archive their stories posts, they can turn this setting off. So in this video, we'll show you how to do it. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Facebook. You can log in into your account. Now you can go to settings by tapping on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down, choose on settings and privacy, choose on settings. Now you can just scroll down, you can find there is an option stories on the audience and visibility sections. You can just tap on that. And from here, you'll find settings like what's your story, who can see your stories, and in here you'll find archiving your stories. Automatically archive photos and videos after they disappear from your story. Only you can see your story archive. By default, this archive story is active, but if you don't want Facebook archive your story, you can just disable it by tap on the toggle in here. So now Facebook no longer archive your story when you create story, and after 24 hours your story will be disappeared and will not archive on your Facebook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop archiving your Facebook story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.